Marvelous.
Sir.
Call me. Walk fast. Come on, walk fast. See, like you play more than yourself.
Sir.
Come on, stand here. Wait, I sent you to buy something for me yesterday. Where's my change?
Don't you know that snake swallowed your money yesterday?
Eh? Snake?
Yes.
Swallow my money?
Yes.
How manage?
Hey. If snake can swallow 36 million naira, come on 800 naira that you are here shouting.
I'm shouting for come on 800 naira.
Yes.
Hey.
The snake almost even swallowed me.
Jesus.
I escaped.
Yes.
Yes.
Snake wanted to swallow you.
Yes.
And you escaped.
Yes.
How manage? Marvelous will not kill somebody. Oh. Yes. The rice finish. Chicken. No food for us. Eh? Ask him. Marvelous.
Sir.
What happened to the rice?
Snake have already swallowed the rice.
What about the chicken?
Snake have already swallowed the chicken.
Please, let me go and check. My 50,000 they paid me last week.
Uncle, call me. Your 50,000.
Yes.
Snake have already swallowed it.
Swallow it. Pour me water. Quick.